My okra plants were producing good fruit regularly, but now the flower buds don't even open. What is going on? This is sold on YouTube. So, look, I know you like okra plants, don't you?
Man, but I'm just surprised about the okra plant. 'Cause we had the okra plant in our yard, and nothing happened to it. It just stayed. I want something to happen to my okra plant. I ain't go out there and pick it because it's so
Tough to pick.
It's hard, but I don't know that bee could be heat in there, causing me to do that in there. But okra plant is a really little tough plant for me in the landscape, and it's in your garden. So I don't know.
Yeah, like there's probably heat stress. You know, that's what
yeah.
I'm thinking about because anytime we have hot, dry weather, and the temperatures here specifically in Memphis have been above, of course, 90 degrees.
Right.
So the flower production is going to decline. Just due to heat. Right. What you can do though, you can actually cut that okra plant back above the soil line 6 to 12 inches. Right. You can get a fall crop.
Fall crop.
Fall crop. Right.
So there's bad news and good news.
Yeah, so it's bad. It's good news.
The bad news, you can't do anything about the heat, but the good news is you can look forward to fall, and it's going to cool off eventually.
It is.
If we could just even get the nighttime temps up, whereas 80 degrees, 90 degrees at night, it's still they're under a lot of stress.
Right, because the plant is steady working 24 hours a day when the temperatures are so warm at night. They don't get a chance to.
It'll get better. It'll cool off.
Right, yeah.
Cool off now,
Yeah, they can't cool off like that. So that's what I think that is, environmental stress, which is going to be heat stress, right? Which is going to cause the flower production again to decline, almost shut off.
Right? Like I said, we've been staying hot at night. It's not getting a break. The plant not getting a break.
Right.
It's hot in the daytime, hot at night. So that's the problem.
Working
itself to death. It can survive in there. If you do water your okra plant, try to do it early in the morning time.
Right.
In there, but that's a tough little plant though.
Right. Yeah. So consistent watering, as well. But just look forward to a fall crop though.
That's good.
That's what I would say.
And you shouldn't be able to kill it. So
No,
it shouldn't be able
to.
It'll make it through.
It'll make it through, yeah.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.